On this episode of the Outdoor Ways, we're gonna cut down some trees with my old man here. How to, see, look at that guy. We're gonna learn how to safely cut down trees. Well, semi-safe. Don't get behind the skid loader ever. That's rule number one. How to sharpen a chainsaw. My pops has been chopping down trees since he was a kid.
Yeah, all the teeth, doesn't it?
Yeah, kinda.
Since retirement, him and his good buddy Jerry have been giving it hell. As my dad would say, it's like working and working out all at the same time. Over the years, he's gotten pretty damn good at dropping trees right where he wants them. I'll leave out that one time though.
You got a little more confidence than I do.
So how does he do it?
Yep. That's slow.
He'd be the first to say there's no tricks, and it's dangerous no matter what. One critical piece, though, is the wedge. A little piece you cut and trim out according to the way you want it to go. This little squared up piece of plywood does just fine. Of course, there's a ton of variables, like which way the tree is leaning, where's the weight at, how dead is it, and the list goes on. Something only experience can keep you mentally and physically ready for. The second part is in the pulling.
Oh, first one.
It's not so much that we're pulling the tree once it starts going, we just want to make sure it's started in the right direction. One trick here, pull out and at an angle when you can, with an anchor point in the direction you want it to fall. Physics has it, you can pull a shit ton more this way. Once it's in the ground, it's time to bring in the cleanup crew.
Oh.
I mentioned in the beginning that we would cover some chainsaw sharpening. I decided to make another video. You can watch that here.
Sometimes these will get longer. Like this side will be longer than this side.